Guys, good morning. How you doing? So today is Monday, but I'm just home. I'm in the house because I really have a cold. As you can see, my voice is not sounding usual or normal, or the way I usually sound, energized and all that. Yeah, so if you can check outside, it's a little bit, very cold and all that. So I decided, instead of just staying in bed and feeling all manner of sick, I decided to try and bake a cake today. So I'm not calling myself an expert. I just want to try. Like, one of the things I love doing is I love cooking, but I've never been tried baking. So, because I'm not so good with pastries and all those things, that need to be baked. The only thing I know how to do in the oven is grill chicken, grill fish, grill, meats and all those kind of things. So today I want to try to bake a cake, and I want you guys to walk with me. So let's bake this cake. Instead of me feeling sick, let's bake this cake. So once again, I want to welcome all of you to my channel. For the new subscribers, you've at least taken me to 1,000, and I want to thank you guys. Always remember to subscribe, like, comment and share this video and very many other videos that I've posted before. So let's get going. Let's bake this cake. So guys, first things first, we'll start by assembling our our ingredients. And ingredients number one is the flour. So we are using the self-raising fortified flour. This one is the one used for making mandazis and cakes and all that. Then sugar is very essential. That is our sugar. Then after sugar, you cannot do cake without milk. That is our dairy milk. And then we're gonna use 2 eggs. Here they are. And then of course, lemon is always good for taste. So we're gonna scrub, shred the lemon skin just to give it a nice taste. And then also we have some margarine here. So I'm not doing a big cake because I'm just trying. So I don't want to make so much cake, then it turns out not to be all right. So let's get going, guys. We're gonna first of all mix everything together. So the first thing is we're gonna mix the sugar and the margarine and stir until it breaks down into fine particles. Let's get going. So we're just gonna mix everything together. As you can see, I don't have anyone to hold my camera, guys. That's why you're seeing me struggle. So we're gonna blend everything together. Not blend, but make sure that the sugar breaks down in the margarine. You see the way it's already starting to build up, to break down. I think we're gonna add some little more sugar. This is the sugar I'm just adding, so that, because the margarine looks like it's a lot, guys. Yeah, it's not too. So guys, these are actually the struggles of a YouTuber. If you do not have anyone to hold your camera, things can be a little bit shaky and difficult. So the sugar has really broken down. It has really mixed. You can see it has really mixed. Yeah, so guys, we have everything mixed here together. So the next stage is I'm gonna add eggs in here. I'm gonna break 2 eggs. I add here. So let's see. You're seeing me walk around because I don't have anyone to hold me the camera. That's why it's a little bit difficult, but we're gonna do it. The life of a YouTuber, we're gonna do it. Yeah. So those are our 2 eggs. We've added the eggs. Then after adding the eggs, you're gonna stir this whole mix together. This is how it looks. guys, this is how we're proceeding. This is how we're proceeding. Our mix is coming out well. Yeah, so guys, this thing has been settling for a while now, and it is coming out just the way I expected. You have to beat until all the sugar particles need to be broken down into very, very, very fine pieces. I didn't have the grounded sugar, so that's why I'm using the normal sugar, you know. Yeah. So after mixing all our dry ingredients, we're gonna now add our milk. So this is the milk we are using. I like Brookside, so let's do this. So this is what I'm doing. Adding some milk. I told you I'm not making a very big cake. I'm just making a cake for me and maybe my friend. Yeah. So we're still mixing, guys. So after this, I think it's now time for me to shred the lemon covers, you know, the skin, lemon skin. We're shredding it into very small tiny pieces like the juice. So let me just look for the shredded lemon. So here it is. I usually use the rough part, this one, to shred. So of course with the knife you're gonna cut, then just squeeze the juice. Just me cutting. Then we're gonna squeeze all the juice inside here. Squeeze it, guys. Make sure you extract all the juices from the lemon fruit. Then the remaining one, just gonna squeeze all the water. Guys, it's so hard. I wish you knew where my camera is. I'm really struggling, but we have to do this. Yeah. So I'm just trying to get all the juices from this lemon. I don't have a juicer or a squeezer, so we're gonna do it the hard way. Yeah. And then I also wanted to have the vanilla flavor, you know, the vanilla extract, so that I can add into the cake. But I tried to order it via Glovo, but by the time I was starting to cook, they had not opened the supermarket, so they were telling me to schedule the, you know, the order. Yeah. So these things, after I have shredded the skin, I'll keep it for my juice to mix with the ginger and garlic for my, you know, flu, you know. Yeah. There's no problem if you even add with the seeds. So this is it, guys. It's taking shape. I don't know if you can see it. It's really taking shape. Yeah. So we're gonna shred the skin here. of this cream. Not taking shape, guys. When you do this is how it looks. You put this in the kettle. Oh, just a minute, guys. I have someone on my door coming. So guys, I had just ordered some fresh maize. Today I want to cook maize for breakfast, and then I will make for githeri. I've bought the yellow beans. I'll show you how I do it. Yeah, so let's go on. So you don't put too much. It is just for a taste. So when you put too much, it may make the cake to be a little bit bitter instead of sweet. Yeah. So yeah, we'll use that later. So guys, we mix everything together. Our mix is looking squashy, guys. So squashy. Like, I don't know if you can see. Yeah. So from this, now you go and add your flour. You now add your flour at the stage. You see? Okay. Well, sometimes you also need to test what you've made. So let's taste. Yummy. So if the sugar is enough for a add some. Just add a spoon of sugar. Oh, yeah. Sometimes cardamom is very nice and tasty. From this put a drop of cardamom for taste and smell. Okay. Remember, some of these things is not a must to put. It is for your specification, like and interest, okay? So guys, we're almost getting there. Now time to add our flour. You add as you stir, You keep stirring, guys, so that the particles can mix well together. And always remember to work on a clean surface. Just pour some stuff here. It's a bit watery. It's a bit watery, so I'm gonna add some more flour. So guys, you stir, make sure you stir until every aspect of this breaks down. You need to test also to see that you're doing the right thing. Guys, it's so yummy. So I've just added some little flour to make it a little bit thick. Yeah, don't make it too watery or too thick, you know. So let me finish, then we leave it for a few minutes to settle, then we put in the oven. So guys, I want to leave this to rest. As it rests, I want to boil some maize for breakfast, for tea. So let's just switch on the heat cooker. I don't know what's happened. Somebody moved this thing. Yeah, that's good. So we're gonna put the maize to boil as we wait for our so guys, our dough is almost ready. I just want to leave it to rest. Then I will set now my oven. On the other side, my maize is boiling for breakfast. So let me cover this and give it like 30 minutes. Then I put it in the oven. Keep watching. So guys, I've just covered my dough. Let's give it like 30 to 45 minutes. Then we bake it. On the other side, our maize is boiling. Yeah, so let's get going. Guys, this is my baking dish. I hope it will be enough. I hope it's not so small. Do you think this is small or it will be enough? It's enough, yeah. So I'm gonna smear some butter here or margarine. Then I'll pour, once my butter, my friend says it's called butter, not dough. Once it's ready, I'm going to pour it here. Then we set the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and then the timing will be 1 hour or 45 minutes actually to 1 hour. This, I've already set my baking bowl. I've just applied smeared what do we call margarine so that it doesn't stick. I didn't have the baking sheets, so if I had them, it would have been very good for me. The baking papers, I just put them down then so that it doesn't stick. So that's the reason why I didn't want to use the aluminium or ile, in Kiswahili we call it a mabati dish, because that dish has disappointed me a couple of times when I'm trying to bake something. So that's why today I want to try glass. Yeah, so I've just smeared, what do they call when you apply oil like this? What is it called? Smearing. What is it called? No, okay guys, you can tell us the word if you know what we mean, what doing this means. Yeah, so on the other side, can you see our maize? I'll also show you how to cook githeri. Today we want to cook githeri. Our breakfast maize is coming out right. Yeah. Yes guys, so my dough is relaxing. So it's been 15 minutes. I think I decided to give it about, let's give it some more 15 minutes so that it can rise and relax and settle well. Yeah. And in the meantime, I'm doing, since I told you today I have a very bad flu, so I'm making my, how do we call this kind of tea, Chero? Mixture concoction like dawa tea. So in here I have lemon, I have cinnamon, I have cardamom, I have this one, what is it called? The tea masala. So it's just boiling. The smell is so nice. I'm already feeling like my nostrils are opening up. Then here our maize is actually ready, and here the butter, or the dough butter, like she said, is rising slowly. So let's give it some more time. And our ball is so ready. So let me put it aside so that it doesn't melt before time. Yes guys, so it's been like, I think 1 hour. 1 hour is gone. I want us to check on our dough. Oh, she said it's not dough, it's butter. So the cake mix is not called dough, it's called butter. So I want us to check on it. Then we preheat our oven to, I told you, it's 180 degrees. And then the temperature, the time, we will play with around 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending. I'll just pray that it doesn't burn. So let's look at the dough. Right, there we go, good people. That is it. It has risen a bit. It has come up. Not so much, but yeah, I think it has come up because it was somewhere here. So it looks like it has doubled. So the next thing is, let us preheat our oven. First of all, you switch that on. Then we come here and get to, first of all, you need to switch this on. Then light on. Then the temperature is 180 degrees, somewhere here near 200 there. Yeah, so I grilled some meat, chicken here yesterday. I forgot to clean the oven, but let's now preheat it. Let's give it like 5 minutes. It will be set and ready. So as our oven is heating up, we shall pour the mix in the baking bowl. Oh my god. Yeah, people, now my dough is ready. It's just about to put it in the oven. The oven is still preheating. I don't know if it's ready. Let's check. Let's feel the temperature. Yeah, that's ready. So I don't know if I should cover. Should I cover this thing with foil, or I just leave it? I put it like that, huh? So guys, please pray for me. If it doesn't come out right, no laughing. We are trying, okay? So what time is it now? It's on 40 now. We're giving it exactly 1 hour. Let's give it exactly 1 hour, then we will visit the oven again. Come here. So my oven gloves have been washed, so that's why you're seeing me without oven gloves. Yeah, so there it goes. Yeah, so guys, our 1 hour is over. Let's get down and look at this. Oh my god, pray for me. Oh my god, I think it looks nice. Where's the knife? Let's just dip in and see if it comes out. Yeah! Guys, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it has good. Yeah. Okay, let's give it some time to cool. Then we will cut it, right? Yeah, guys. So the moment of recon is here. We want to check our pork. Gosh, how do I say pork? Sorry, I love pork. We want to check our cake and see if we did a good job or we just did our own things. So let's get down and check. So there we go, guys. Let's open the oven. Come here. Oh, it dried up a little bit. So there we go, guys. I want to see if we can just put it on the tray here. That's our cake. That's our cake. Let's go, guys. Guys, I think this cake is so yummy. I need to give my friend a piece. It burnt a little bit, but not so much. It's so tasty inside. Are you seeing how fluffy it is? Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and that's our cake. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching. So let me give my friend to test them. She can give us feedback. The final product is here. That's my cake. I think it's yummy. It dried a little bit on top. It wasn't burned. Some people might say mongwa. I think I tried. Thank you guys for watching. And give me your views. What do you think? Did we do a good job or a bad job? Super. Bye. I want to try this cake with some juice. So yummy, guys. Really yummy. I know people say things, but some of you might think it was burnt. Just the crust, but inside it's nice. I was trying, guys. So you give me your opinion and what you think. Yeah. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you for following my content. Leave a comment, like, share, and promote this video. Okay? You can try out my recipe. Maybe yours will come out better than mine. But you see, at that point when I was checking it in the oven, it had already cooked. I think it just burnt a bit when I left it to cool after I switched off the oven. But we are students of life. I would still try another time. Thank you for watching, guys, and bye. Have a good one.